SNA. If you're watching us on SNA HD over channel 166 or over the live stream, hello to you as well. Set 1, tapos na. Dito sa Phil Sports Arena, naghabol ang Pocari Sweat kontra sa Philippine Coast Guard. But on the back of their two imports and Michelle Gumabao, they were able to get the 25 points needed to take set 1 against PCG.
It took a while for them to warm up really. Down by 6 straight points doon sa pagbubukas ng ating unang set. But eventually, nagising si Michelle Gumabao at humataw na yung dalawang reinforcements. But I feel that yung floor defense na pinamunuhan itong si Melissa Goheng had a lot to do about that comeback win sa ating unang set. Mahirap kung nabaw ng 8 o umabot ng 10. But they did enough to be able to rebound quickly as they were only down by 3 when they reached the first technical timeout, 8-5. And that was the cue for them to make their second move. And eventually, that shift to the second gear enabled them to dominate the attack points, winning that stat department by 13, and that jumps out of your TV screens. At kahit na sila ay merong 10 unforced errors, which is 6 more than what the Lady Dolphins had, hindi naging balaki dyan para sa kanila dahil masyadong malaki yung differential sa mga stat department na kung saan talaga nakabawi at na-domina nila kontra dito sa komunal ng Lady Dolphins.
Surprise na pareho ang statistics natin para sa dalawang koponan in terms of blocking. As you can see, the towering two imports unable to establish themselves yet.
Oo.
DJ Tronics getting set para sa ating second set action.
Ayan ang gustong-gusto ko dito sa ating bidig. Nawala yung shyness. Hindi ko sinabing nawala yung hiya. Sa mapakinggan walang hiya. Nawala yung shyness, nabawasan. Oo. Napunta sa atin, Jing.
Oo, tayo.
Pero hindi tayo tinablan.
Yun lang. Kasama pa natin si Jazz Reyes today.
Saksakan ng walang shyness. Hindi ko pwedeng sabihin ulit, walang hiya. Oo, hindi. Bad yun, bad.
Bright spot para sa Philippine Coast Guard. Samantha Dawson, maganda ang pinakita sa first set. Sabi nga natin at the top of the broadcast, kailangan nila maghanap ng firepower. And great block there mula kay Hazel Mea to get it started sa ating pangalawang set.
Sa pangalawang sunod na set, makukuha na naman ng Philippine Coast Guard ang unang puntos. And let's see if this will trigger again a set of consecutive points para dito sa kupunan ng Philippine Coast Guard. Subalit, pinasag na naman yung back attack, yung double block. Ano mo sasabayan yan?
Bumawi agad. Dito si Brie Mackey
started out with the service reception. Something that they were not able to do consistently in that loss versus the Air Force. Air Women, to be exact.
Net touch. Follow ni Samantha Dawson. Got Michelle Gumabao to commit too much. Pangalawang puntos dito ng Philippine Coast Guard.
Sabi natin kanina, at the top of the coverage, Philippine Coast Guard only averages about 45 points kada laro. 39, 49, and 44 yung talaan nila sa first 3 losses na natikman nila.
Starting to get in a groove here itong Pocari Sweat.
That's Mac attack coming off that back set itong si Iris Tonelada.
2 points for her in this set already. 3 attack points para sa dalawang import.
Certified outside hitter itong si Brie Mackey. Gusto naman si Cassitz, isang opposite spiker. Heavy credentials for this powerhouse unit at may dala pang numero 1 napakahusay na Phil Amsetter from San Francisco, Florida.
Clock went out. Philippine Coast Guard tying things up at 3 apiece.
Importante dumidepensa. Hindi mo man na-scorean sa pamagitan ng defensive kill. At least tumatrabaho, may effort.
Strong hit from the outside itong si Myla Pablo. As we check in now with the third member of our broadcast team, si Jazz Reyes.
Yes, thank you so much. Alam mo, ilabas niyo lahat. Yan talaga sinabi ni Coach Odron sa Lady Dolphins. Wala naman ang mawawala sa inyo. Alam mo, nakita ko talaga ang frustration ni Samantha Dawson na hindi niya alam bakit hindi napapakita ang teammates niya ang lakas, ang galing when they are in practice. Now, maybe yung reason na yun, kasi sabi nga ni Coach Odron, kung meron siyang isang wish, isang healing, is to move. Sana lahat yung laro natin, dun na lang talaga sa Coast Guard dahil sanay ang team sa mas mainit, mas mahirap na kondisyon. Dun sila sanay, dun sila nakakalabas ng kanilang galing. What do you think, Jing? Masyado bang comfortable tayo dito?
Saan ba yung court nila, Jazz? Diba? Yan ang ating mamayang tatanungin. Eh, hindi naman tayo makakapunta kasi malamang matraffic. Pero at least malaman natin.
Philippine Coast Guard getting a 4th point here. At nakita nyo naman, staying nice and loose while Jazz was performing her report. And nakita natin si Sheila Cecilio showing us a glimpse of her dance moves at the back there. And they're getting loose here. Samantha Dawson in particular.
Right. Tandaan natin ang Philippine Coast Guard is under the umbrella of the Armed Forces of the Philippines, yung Hukbong Sandatahan ng Pilipinas. At malamang nasa bandang south yan.
Lots of pride on the line always when you're talking about the Armed Forces of the Philippines.
Yan ang weakness dito para sa comparison. Pagkanyan yung dalawang higante o tore na maituturing. Their ability and their reaction time to go for digs. Pag bumangat naman yung bola, pabor sa kanila. Pero pag bumaba, may problema rin. Ang hirap yung mukha. Tangkad eh. Tayo lang, Jing, yung nakadikit sa sahig eh.
Ako, walang problema.
Yan, problema na naman. Reception. Target of the serve. As Primaki keeps up with reception error. And now the heat is on the other side as itong Coast Guard. Meron ng isang puntos na kalamangan.
So going, shouting instructions as this service is sent over to their court at lalampas. Too wide there mula kay Samantha Dawson.
It's a 3-point. That is something that Coach Gilbert does not want to give. Laban dito sa kupunan na kanilang hinaharap na sadyang isang katutak ang bala na tangan dito sa ating huling conference ng taon.
So dyan si Michelle Gumabaw. Napuntos mapupunta dito sa Lady Warriors. Not sure what the violation was there.
Isang illegal back row attack na naitawag laban dito sa kupunan ng Philippine Dogs ng Philippine Coast Guard.
Looked like Ronalie Castor was in the back line. Hindi niya naman sinasadya. She was trying to set it up.
Pero tandaan mo, Jing, sinadya man o hindi. Once a violation is spotted, they will call it. And right now, Magkara siya going to the first technical timeout. Meron 2 puntong hiningang kalamangan laban sa Dolphins.
Welcome back. Mula dito sa Phil Sports, dito sa Pasig City, Shakey's V-League action dito sa SNA. At ang tinitingnan natin dito ang Shakey's Fun Family Pizza. You see some of the crowd that have come out on this Monday afternoon para mapanood dito ang Philippine Coast Guard at ang Pocari Sweat Lady Warriors. Close game na makikita natin dito sa second set.
Able to keep in step at hindi napapag-iwanan. Itong kumanan ng Lady Dolphins, in fact, dun sa first set, sila talaga yung tumrangko, lalong-lalo rin dun sa umpisa.
Michelle Gumabaw having a standout game para sa Lady Warriors. And they're really starting to get Myla Pablo going in this second set.
Right. Alam mo,
na naman.
hindi lang matibay yung libero dito sa Philippine Coast Guard. Kanina pa sila napag-iwanan, pero ang sipag niya dumipensa. At she's been very effective sa pagdig. At yan ay si Erica Tapion.
Say hello to Amiel Acobera Bajado. What a game for Pocari. Road to champs ulit. Ang galing nila. Ang gaming nila. All the way from Bombon, Camarines Sur. Hello, Sir Amiel. Oo.
Alam ko, pupunta ka muna ng Naga tapos may isa't kalahati o 2 oras kang road trip para makanig sa camps.
Medyo malayo.
Malayo, pero napakaganda raw.
Go Pocari. Iba talaga ang Great Wall of Gumabaw. I like that name.
Pwede.
Thanks to everybody who's been sending over their tweets via ABS-CBN Sports and the hashtag SVL on ABS-CBN.
Mas madaling kunin kung paharap. Pag may attempt tayo na papalo, siguraduhin nyo may kasunod na recoverage. Kasi malalaki yan eh. Anticipate kagad. Sipagan lang natin, lumalayo na lumayo sa service lang. Tara, laban.
Naliwanag yung sinasabi rito ni Coach Gilbert. Pag may pumalo, kailangan may suporta. Pag may sumagot, kailangan may suporta. Malalaki nga, kailangan ng coverage. You have to work double and triply hard defensively para maka-atake ka at makapatay ka naman ng bola dahil kung sangga ka lang ng sangga, eventually pupuntos talaga yung kalaban, lalo-lalo na kargado. Talk about kargado, once again, services for Michelle Gumabaw. That's
Sweat
the
11, Philippine Coast Guard 6.
Tumama sa tip, pero napaganda para kay Michelle Gumabaw. Papatuloy ang kanyang standout game para dito sa Lady Warriors.
So far, we have not
Service,
seen
Gumabaw.
that yet.
Yeah. So sa mga lost girls na nabanggit natin at the top of the broadcast, only played one set in the loss contra sa Philippine Air Force, had 2 points in that game. One of the lost girls, however, starting to get hot in this match.
Wow.
Ano naman dito ng Philippine Coast Guard ang kanilang firepower.
Mas Maderazo, I believe, scoring against the double block. Isang higante na lusutan at binasag. Yung wall na
Serving,
ang depensa.
Gwen Malapit.
And then malapit. Wide ang kanyang service.
Not even close. Sometimes you just want a high percentage serve. Para at least pag bumalik yung bola, kaya niyong umatake.
Substitution, Philippine Coast Guard.
Too many
13
points sa
out,
kalaban.
6
Yung hirap
zero
umabot.
in.
Gayong you're behind already by a set.
11
Down right now
out.
by 5. At 12-7.
Uupo muna si Brenda yung malapit. Papasok si Cecilio at si Ann Necesito. Shuffling of the back para dito kay Coach Aldron.
Pablo.
9 points in her outing against Philippine Air Force. Itong si Myla Pablo.
That's the second time that has happened in this set.
Coach Ronnie, parang may kutob na akong sinasadya din na lang tumama sa
Parang
tip.
napakahirap sa dyan yan. Napakahirap sa dyan, and that was a tremendous effort
Myla
coming from
Pablo,
Tapion. An attempted pancake na hindi na umangat. Pinakamalaking kalamangan hawak na nila Myla Pablo ay 6 points.
Looking to get into double digits. Itong si Myla Pablo to really get this conference going for her. Masyadong mababa.
Ball is
Na
out.
kailangan makasanayan ni Tolinada.
Philippine
Because
Coast Guard
right
8.
now,
Carswell,
to her
13.
wings are at least 2 6'4" players. Pero tingin ko parang mas malaki si
Serving,
Cassids eh. No?
Lynn Garcia.
Looping serve. Gumabaw with the reception. This time heading over the opposite direction. Itong si Iris Tolinada. Alusot sa blocking. Tolinada huhulog.
Excellent dunk.
Sent up into the air by Cecilio. Not gonna be enough for Philippine Coast Guard.
Had a chance to cover Irish Tolinada in some of her games. When she used to play here in Manila. I believe last year. Matalino maglaro. Also an attacking setter.
Andre
Probably trying to get
Haskins,
used to the rest of
serving.
the Lady Warriors also. So, isang parte sa cohesion mission na gusto ni Coach Ronald para sa magana ng Warriors.
Aquino.
Nag-team building sa Hong Kong.
Maderazo.
Talaga?
Oo. I believe second to the last week ng, before the final week ng September.
Andre Haskins,
Yun na
serving.
ibinigay yung kanilang regalo sa pagiging champion. Sinama na yung dalawang reinforcements.
Hazel May, a miss hit para sa kanya. Setup job was there.
Now the lead is balloon to 8
Technical timeout.
as we reach the
Carswell,
second technical
16.
time.
Philippine Coast Guard 8.
Welcome back sa ating Shakey's V-League broadcast. Ang tinitingnan natin ay si Ian Banzon, 28 years of age, mula sa Mandaluyong, face of the day dito sa ating laro between Pocari Sweat and Philippine Coast Guard.
Nag-blush pa.
Serving. Andrea
Hindi pa siya
Haskins.
nagbablush.
Bakit, Coach Ron?
Nangingitim lang ako eh.
16-8 ang ating tala. And of course, kanina sa Twitter, nakita natin ang unang hashtag Ask
Right.
Coach Ronnie, and we are welcoming in kung may mga katanungan kayo tungkol sa laro ng volleyball or anything under the sun. Please tweet us and use the hashtag AskCoachRonnie.
Oo, niliwanagin ko lang. Meron kasi rito, actually,
Service
galing ito sa TMX, which helps us sa statistics dito sa ating Shakey's V-League. Sabi dito, the player gets an excellent set if she is able to confuse at least one opposing blocker. Isang blocker or walang blocker. Yung iwan talaga yung blockers ng kalaban.
I see.
Kasi yung binibilang natin ay yung palito niya yung blocker.
Oo.
Yun yun.
So yun yung importante. And doon natin nakikita
Yun
yung
yung pasehan.
isa sa mga aspeto na perhaps para sa mga baguhan na nanonood ng
Right.
volleyball, hindi din nakikita kung gaano kalaki yung role na nilalaro
Yes.
ng mga katulad ni Iris Tolinada.
Right.
Pati na rin itong si Giselle C.
Sila Wendy Simana, sila Chisa, and volleyball is a game of deception. In Tagalog, panliling lang.
Oo.
Service ace.
It's built around misdirections and decoy plays, and I feel that the best testament to that is the position ng isang setter. Tinuturing na playmaker at decision maker.
Substitution.
Tignan
Philippine
mo
Coast
kung gaano
Guard.
kabilis ang thought
6
process
out,
para
13
mapalasa yung
plus the
pagpasa,
warning.
yung ball distribution, at yung panglilin lang dun sa depensa para hindi mabantayan
Serving.
ang itatakbo mga
Giselle C.
opensa.
Of course, paminsan-minsan nakikita din natin. Humuhulog din yan. Ang mga yan, si Iris Tolinada, we've seen it on a couple
Eh,
of
si
occasions
Jasmine
already.
Labor nga eh. Pumapalo, di ba? Jasmine Labor was minted as
Timeout.
finals
Philippine Coast
MVP.
Guard.
Doon sa nakalipas na
Philippine
collegiate
Coast
conference
Guard
right now.
9.
Pocari on the roll, up by 11 at 20 versus 9.
Yung Amerikana, alam yung ibabaw yan. Hindi kayo dapat pumasok. Dapat maatras kayo, abangan nyo sa ibabaw. Ha? Naintindihan nyo ba? Sagot, sagot, sagot. Ha? Okay. Sa isa lang, overage ng bola, receive ulit. Pag ilang beses na yan, ha? Huwag mong pabayaan. Ano? Kaya pa ba natin?
Head coach Butch Odron looking for a response mula sa kanyang players. They are looking a little disheartened in this second set. 20-9 ang tala. Nakakawala na dito ang Pocari
Substitution.
Sweat.
Philippine Coast Guard.
Take a look at the bench of the Lady Warriors. Grendel malapit, babalik. Uupo muli si Sheila May Cecilio.
Sila Grendel Malapit at Samantha Dawson were the two players who
Giselle
kept
C.
Coast Guard ahead of the Lady Warriors dun sa early stages ng unang set. But after they last led at 9-7, everything has been downhill
Ball is out.
for this team, which has tasted 3 consecutive losses. And right now, itong Pocari playing to their potential, having their lead balloon to already 12 as Giselle C.
Giselle C. Serving.
Tinatayang maging close-out setter, no? At designated server para sa kanilang team.
Pasok pa rin dito si Enclona in place of Melissa Gohing.
Right. Ito mo naman ang mga libero ng
Gumabo
Tubano.
with a combination
Best
attack.
libero. At ito mo naman yung reserva nila. Ang
22-9.
pusay din si Rika
Favor
Enclona.
Paris Sweat.
Because of solid defense and outstanding offense, they are 13 points ahead and only 3
Serving.
points away from
Giselle
having a
C.
2-set advantage laban dito sa Lady Dolphins.
Sees service. Dawson. Dug up nicely there. Key shot. Dawson ulit. Nakita ni Enclona. Hinulog ni Michelle Gumabaw. And now they're gonna look to set up.
And again, Tabion.
Naki there sent back. Michelle Gumabaw off the block. Lapid gets it up. Dawson cross court. Basang-basa ni Enclona. And even Alcuin unable to get a point here for
Oh, wow.
Pocari. Myla Pablo from the back line.
Balasang yun, oh.
Gwenlen Malapit sends it over. Longest rally sa ating laro. Michelle Gumabaw finally ends it with a cross-court spike.
Unfortunately, did not bode well para dito sa Coast Guard. Pero alam mo, yan lang yung chance nila eh. Umaba yung rally, magkamali sa transition itong Pocari. Kaya lang, isa lang sa mga tore yung nasa loob at yan ay si Maki.
Serving. Giselle C.
Rika Enclona working doubly hard as the floor manager right now para sa Pocari. Up by 14, 14 set points din. Hawak nila ngayon laban dito sa Lady Dolphins.
Look at that for a
Look
hit.
at Tabion once again.
So impressive para dito sa Philippine Coast Guard. She sends it over.
Pwedeng AKA Fortress ang moniker nito.
Maki won't be denied this time.
Paris Sweat.
Nabigat ito.
Set point.
So may 16-8 count as we reach the second technical timeout. Yung koponan ng Coast Guard only scored 1 single point dun sa huling 10 beses
Giselle C.
o 9 na beses na palitan.
Tuloy-tuloy na nagsuserve dito si Giselle C. Brought in for that specific purpose and
Right,
they have
right.
continued. She scrambles over, sets up Maki. Ngayon naman para kay Michelle Gumabaw. Off the block. Check ball gives Pocari Sweat Lady Warriors the second set. They are cruising kontra dito sa Philippine Coast Guard. Quick look here at the Shakey's shake and play of the set. Fantastic hit there from Bree Mackey. Ang dalawang international imports dito
Right.
ng Pocari Sweat in the mood alongside Michelle Gumabaw and Myla Pablo. Kaya naman 25-9 ang nakita nating talaan sa second set. It's 2-0 in favor of the Lady Warriors. Pagbalik natin, we will break down the second set and move into third set action.